In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have your personal inbox connected so you can send one-to-one emails directly from the CRM and automatically track opens and clicks, all without leaving HubSpot. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to the settings area. Look for the small gear icon in the top navigation bar. It's usually near your profile image. Click that to open the main settings screen. If you don't see it, make sure you're on a desktop browser and that you're logged in with the right user. On the settings page, use the left sidebar to navigate to General, then choose Email. This section is specifically designed for managing your personal email connection. It's where you'll link your own inbox so HubSpot can send messages on your behalf and keep track of engagement. On the email page, find and click Connect Personal Email. This option is meant for your individual inbox, not a shared team address. Choosing the personal email connection ensures your messages are sent from you and that your activity is recorded on the right contacts in the CRM. Next, enter the email address you want to connect. HubSpot will usually recognize your provider automatically. If you're using Gmail, Office 365, or Exchange, you'll see that detected as soon as you type your address. This detection helps HubSpot route you to the correct secure sign-in flow for your provider, making setup quick and reliable. You'll now be prompted to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen steps to log into your email account, then click Allow to grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to send and read emails. These permissions enable HubSpot to send one-to-one emails from within the CRM, log your sent and received messages to the right records, and track opens and clicks so you can see what's working. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that challenge as part of the sign-in. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it in your browser so the authorization window can appear. Once you approve access, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. You should see confirmation that your personal email is connected. From here, when you open a contact record and compose an email, it will send from your connected inbox, and you'll get engagement insights like opens and clicks right on the timeline. That's it. You've connected your personal email to HubSpot, unlocking seamless one-to-one emailing and reliable tracking, all inside your CRM. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.